Hello and welcome. So in this video, we will be learning about the string indexing and string slicing in Python. So let's get started. Suppose we have a variable which is called letters equals to, I'm just putting A, B, C, D, E, F, something like that. And now what we want to do, we want to print out the A only. Okay, so how we can do that? Or just one character, something like that. So how we can do that? We can do quite simply in Python. So print, we have print the letters, the variable, and then we want to print the first character from this letters variable, right? This string. So under the hood, Python assigns some numbers to each of the characters of the string. So for the first character, Python assigns 0. For the second one, Python assigns 1, and for the third one, Python assigns 2, and so on and so forth, 3, 4, 5, just like that. So for the first one, Python assigns 0. For the second one, it is 1. For the third one, it is 2. For the fourth one, it is 3, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, if we want to get the value of the first character, we need to access the zeroth indexed character, which is the A right now. So how we can do that? It is quite simple. I'm just commenting that out. So to do to access the first character, just open the square brackets and then put 0 inside that, just like that. So you have to put the proper index for the character. Okay, now if we run this program, we are getting the A, which is nice. Now suppose you want to like get the D. So 0, 1, 2, 3. So if we put 3 here and save and then run the program, we get D. Suppose you want to get the F. What you can do, you can count the character. For us it will be 5. So if we do 5, then if we run this program, it is F. But we can count in the reverse manner as well. So if we do this, by the way, if you are not able to copy that, I am just pressing the shift alt and down arrow and then it makes the copy. So if we do -1, then what will happen? The count will start at the end of the string. So if I run this program, just clearing up the console and running this program once again, see, we are getting the F for both of the the print statements. So if we do -1 and then if we do -2, then what happens? Let's see, we will get the second last element. So you can get the single characters from a string by this method. But suppose you want to print out a certain portion of the string. Suppose you want to print CDE. How you can do that? We can do that pretty easily. For this, we have to print again and then letters, and then what we can do, we have to check from which index to which index we want. So we want from 0, 1, 2. This is the, for C the index is 2, so just putting up here and then putting a colon, and then we have to check, okay, we want the C, which is the which has the index of 2, then we want D, and then we want E. So 3 and 4, the index of E is 4, but if we do here 4, what will happen? The E will not be printed. So the last portion, this last number in this syntax should be the next element's index or the next character's index. So if I print out, for the sake of the video, so if I print out this, oh okay, just doing that, and then if I print out this once again, yeah, see, we are just getting the C and D, we are not getting the E. We want the C, D, E. Okay, to get that we have to print from to second index to the fifth index. And please remember, this last index which we have, it is not being printed, it will not be printed. The for this like the print statement, so for this one I can uh, show you. So it will be printing the second, the third, and the fourth element. It will not print the fifth element, okay, or the fifth character. So if we print out that, there we go. So in this way you can take out a certain portion or a single character from the string in Python. Okay, now let's see. So suppose what you have a pretty long like the list, right? Dot dot dot. So the string is pretty long, but you do not want the first element. So you want everything, but you don't want the A, suppose. So how you can do that? You can print, and then you can write the letters, and then what you can do, we are getting some of the autocomplete, but we will not use that. So you can first do the colon, and you just print, okay, I want the from the first index, so 0, and then B has the 1, so just put 1, and the other part, this other part, you do not have to put anything. So if we save that, then if we run this program, there we go, we are omitting just the first like the element or the first character from this string, and we are printing the rest of it. Okay, and you can do it with the different ones as well. So if we do like if we do this, and then if we just uh, have the like the first number empty and we are putting the second number like 1, so what will happen? Let's see if we run this program. So yeah, so now what is happening is that for the first one, it is printing out the every letter except for the first like the letter, right, or first character. But in the second time, what is happening is that it is printing out the only the first like the letter, which is A, or first character. You might like you can say anything. So yeah, so this is the syntax, and you can just play around with that as well. So suppose let's see what happens if I put -1 here. Let's see what happens. Oh, okay. Now we are doing, we are seeing, okay, it is just omitting the F, and it is, oh, it is just omitting the F, and it is printing out everything except the last character. Let's see what happens if we do something like this, -1. So let's print out, and it is just printing out the last character. So just play around a bit with this syntax, and you will be getting used to that. And also play around with some of the negative numbers as well. So how the, so that you can you are able to understand like how the we can take some certain parts from the string and how we can manipulate that. So yeah, I think this is pretty much it for the strings section. And yeah, I hope you are enjoying this video. Please leave a like and subscribe to this channel. It will mean a whole like it means a lot to me. And please continue watching, and next up we will start with the numbers.